In this short video, I'll show you the exact process to return items you bought from Temu in order to get a refund. Maybe the items are defective, not what you ordered, or don't fit well, arrived too late, or simply didn't meet your expectations. Lots of online shoppers have expressed frustration about returning items to Temu. But knowing the correct way to return an item to Temu will prove helpful in order to get a refund, and that's exactly what I will show you in this video. Hello, and welcome to the 3 Minutes Fix channel. Before we jump in, if this video helps you out and you'd like to support what we do, check the pinned comment below. I've also added a useful resource there for you too. Stay with me till the end to find out how long it takes for Temu to actually refund your money. Before we proceed, let's talk about Temu's return policy. Temu offers a 90-day return window from the delivery date. Most items can be returned for a full refund within that period. However, a few items cannot be returned, for example, groceries, underwear, swimwear, and personal hygiene products. This is because these items pose health and safety concerns once opened or used and cannot be resold. Also, you cannot return customized or made-to-order items. But if you received a damaged, defective, or wrong item, you're still covered within 90 days. The first method to return items to Temu is through their website. To start, go to temu.com and log into your account. Click on My Orders. Find the order that contains the item you want to return and click Return Refund. Select the items you wish to return, choose a reason for the return, and submit your request. The second method to return items to Temu is through the Temu app. To use the app, open the Temu app and log into your account. Tap You at the bottom to access your profile. Tap on your orders, then select the order you want to return. Tap Return Refund next to the item, choose a return reason, and submit the request. If the item qualifies for a refund, Temu will issue you a return shipping label, which you need to print out. If you don't have a printer, you can forward the label to a friend, local print shop, or ask the carrier for help printing the label at the drop-off point. The third method is by email. You can email Temu support using the email support@temu.com with your order number and the reason for return. They'll consider the stated reason and send you an RMA number, that's a Return Merchandise Authorization. Keep this number safe, you'll need it during packaging. When you have printed the return shipping label or have the RMA number ready, here's how to pack your item correctly. Repack the item in its original packaging. Include all accessories, manuals, and tags. Write your RMA number clearly on the outside of the package. Attach the return shipping label. Remove or cover any old shipping labels and barcodes to avoid confusion. After you've packed the item correctly, it's time to ship it back to Temu. You can drop off the package at UPS, USPS, or FedEx, depending on the return label instructions. Always keep the tracking number to follow up on the status. Depending on your payment method, here's how long it usually takes to get your refund. For credit or debit card, it takes 2 to 7 business days. If you paid using Temu Wallet, your refund will be instant after approval. For gift card payments, you'll get a Temu credit within 2 to 7 days. PayPal users will be refunded within 2 to 5 business days. Once your return is processed, you'll get an email notification from Temu. To track your return, use the tracking number from the shipping label. Temu will also email you when they receive and process the return, so no need to wait for confirmation manually. And that's the right way to return Temu items for a refund. To explore more Temu video tutorials, click this card. If this video helped and you'd like to support what we do, feel free to buy me a coffee, links in the pinned comment. Check the description below for more helpful tutorials. If you have a question or need more help, leave a comment, and I'll be happy to assist. Thank you for tuning in.